here on Parrot Island because today we're going to be voting for boat captain.
Oh, hello. I'm Captain Pirate Pete.
Tell him I'm a giant coconut.
Sailor Sam! Sailor Sam! Hey! Do you know what that is? Yeah! That means coconut soup for supper. And I need to find Sailor Sam. Has anybody seen Sailor Sam? Really? Well, nobody seen Sailor Sam? Which way did he go? That way? Which way did he go? Sailor Sam went that way? No, he wasn't just here. Pirate says, raise your right arm. Pirate says, raise your left arm. Pirate says, lower your arms. Raise your arms. No, no, no. Captain didn't say, Pirate said. Since I've been captain the last 3 years, I don't expect anyone to run against me.
Yes, sir?
Is there something you'd like to say?
No, sir. I mean, yes, sir. I mean, I have to tell you something, sir.
Well, what is it?
Oh, your shoes are untied, and I'm running against you for boat captain. I'm going to teach all of the crew members how to swim.
Swim! Oh, we already know how to swim, right, everybody? Everybody, let's show them how to swim. Do the doggy paddle. Don't forget to pant.
Well, if you didn't bring your telescope with you, just hold your hands like this with an opening through the center so that you can see what you're looking at.
Everybody, look to your right.
To your right,
Look to your left.
your other left hand.
Look over here.
Oh,
Hey, I see something.
I think I see something too,
And
sir.
it looks very ugly.
I think I see the same thing.
Hey, Sailor Sam, what are you doing in my telescope?
Nothing, sir. Promise? Promise me you won't vote for boat captain till I come back.
Okay, we promise. Pirate's honor.
Well, I'll go search the island, but don't vote